So I'm happy to share with you some good news. So I've received an email today na nag-qualify ako sa Munich, Germany, yung isa sa Manulife International Conference this year. So ang biyahe namin is yung May 15 up to May 19. So sa Munich, Germany to guys. So right now, hinihingi na yung mga requirements ko kasi ipaprocess na ni Manulife yung aking visa para sa biyahe namin this year. So out of thousands of financial advisor, very few lang, I think less than 100 lang nagka-qualify dito. So I'm very fortunate na isa ako dun sa napili. So yan, so may libre akong travel guys. Wala na akong kailangan pang gastusin here. Si Manulife na bahala. Okay? So now, on March 7, magkakaroon ako ng career orientation program sa Max's Restaurant Silang Cavite. So on that career orientation program, i-share ko sa inyo paano ba ako nag-qualify sa Munich, Germany, and paano ba ako nag-qualify doon sa iba pang travel ko this year. On top of that, i-share ko rin sa inyo ano ba yung mga rewards, bonuses, and incentive na nare-receive ko being a Manulife financial advisor and how it can be a career for you. Okay, so limited lang yung slot here. So if you're interested to learn if Manulife financial advisor is a good career for you, DM mo lang ako para mabigyan kita ng free slot here.